Are you struggling to manage your email marketing campaigns efficiently? Wish you could automate everything without getting overwhelmed? In this video, I'll introduce you to Encharge, a powerful marketing automation tool that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Oh, and the best part? You can get lifetime access for a fraction of the price on AppSumo. Check out the link in the description to grab the lifetime deal. Let's dive in. What is Encharge? Encharge is a powerful and intuitive marketing automation tool designed to help businesses create behavior-based email campaigns and customer journeys without any coding. It uses a visual flow builder so you can map out exactly how and when your emails are sent, based on what your users do. Whether you're a SaaS founder, a digital product seller, or running a service-based business, Encharge gives you the tools to segment your audience, send personalized messages, and boost engagement. Key features of Encharge: Visual Automation Builder. Create workflows using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Advanced Segmentation. Filter your audience based on user behavior, tags, and attributes. Email Broadcasts. Send one-time emails with A/B testing for subject lines and content. Behavioral Emails. Trigger emails based on specific actions like clicking a link, signing up, or completing a form. Lead Scoring and Event Tracking. Understand and score your leads based on how they interact with your business. 40+ integrations. Easily connect with tools like Stripe, Calendly, Facebook Ads, Typeform, Zapier, and many others. Encharge AppSumo Lifetime Deal. Right now, Encharge is available on AppSumo with a lifetime deal, giving you access to the growth plan features for a one-time payment, no monthly fees. That includes unlimited automation flows, unlimited team members, advanced segmentation, native forms, email validation, all future updates to the growth plan. You also get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Who is Encharge for? SaaS founders who want to automate onboarding, marketers running behavior-based campaigns, freelancers and agencies managing client email automation, e-commerce owners looking to boost retention. If you're ready to take your marketing automation to the next level, go check out the link in the description to grab the lifetime deal before it's gone. Don't forget to like, subscribe,